This is the Star Learning Series. We're going to do the alphabet letter H. The sound is H for house. Say the sound and words after me. House. I stay in a house with my family. Hibiscus. We have a hibiscus tree growing in our garden. Head. This is my head. Hand. This is my hand. Heel. This is my heel. Hips. These are my hips. Hair. I have brown hair. Hairdresser. The hairdresser cuts my hair. Handyman. The handyman fixes my stove. Health officer. The health officer works at the clinic. Husband. A wife calls the man she married her husband. Well done. Hop. She likes to hop from one block to the next. Hang. Mom will hang the washing up. Happy. This clown is very happy. Hot. He is very hot in the sun. Hail. The man is running from the hail. Hit. The boy can hit the ball with a bat. Hug. I hug my mom because I love her. Hat. I wear a hat when I go into the sun. Hyena. I saw a hyena at the game reserve. Horn. This is the rhino's horn. Hive. Bees live in a bee hive. Hen. The hen lays eggs for us to eat. Hedgehog. This is a hedgehog. Hamster. The hamster likes to eat peanuts. Hippo. The hippo likes to lie in the water all day long. Well done. Hump. This is a hump on the camel. Horse. A horse can run very fast. Horse riding. I like to go horse riding. Hiss. The sound a crocodile makes is called a hiss. Helicopter. I ride in the blue helicopter. Hold. My brother will hold the candle. Hose pipe. I water the flowers with a hose pipe. Hedge cutter. She will cut the bush with a hedge cutter. Hammer. I use a hammer to knock the nail into the wood. Handle. This is a door handle. Heater. We use a heater to keep warm. Hair dryer. She dries her hair with a hair dryer. Hanger. I hang my clothes on a hanger. Hook. We use a hook to catch a fish. Hard hat. He wears a hard hat to protect his head. Handcuffs. A policeman uses handcuffs. Hearing aid. I use a hearing aid to help me hear. Hill. The boy is standing on the hill. Honey. Bees make honey that we eat. Hamburger. I order a hamburger at the restaurant. Hot dog. Mommy makes me a hot dog for lunch.
Well done.
Ham. We make ham from pork. Hammock. I lie in a hammock under the tree. Hole. The mouse lives in the hole. Headboard. This bed has a headboard at the top. Hang glider. This is a hang glider. Hang gliding. We go hang gliding on weekends. High heels. My mommy bought high heels at the shop. Hoot. The sound an owl makes is called a hoot. Harmonica. The harmonica is a musical instrument. Harp. A harp is a musical instrument. Hutch. A rabbit lives in a hutch on the farm. hot air balloon. I go for a ride in a hot air balloon. Half. I ate half the pizza. Heart. This shape is called a heart. Hexagon. A hexagon shape has 6 sides. Heptagon. A heptagon shape has 7 sides. I am a star. Well done. Give yourself a hug.